So this is a drain field out in this yard. And this is where the septic lid is from the house. So right there is the septic lid. And then the reason we needed a new drain field put in was because there used to be 3 huge pine trees right here, 1, 2, 3, that have just been cut down. They were really tall. We left the oak. And the roots to those pine trees infiltrated the drain field, infiltrated the tubing that lies underneath the racks. This is a piece of the old, and it's just filled with roots and dirt, impacted dirt, because when that happens, the water can't leach out. That's why a drain field is also called a leach field, because it has these pipes down. Pipe comes out of the septic tank. Here's the tank right in here. Comes out of the septic tank, and then the solid stays in the tank. The liquid leaches out into the drain field. The health department's going to come inspect it, and then they're going to put straw on top of it, of these racks, and then the dirt will be laid back on top, leveled out, and then grass seed planted. Now, you don't want to drive on top of a drain field for obvious reasons, because you can impact dirt into the tubing. You can crush the tubing. A lot of things can happen. There's another piece of the old tubing. There's some ruts, but there was all kinds of roots, and that's why we needed the new drain field dug. So I hope that explains more what a drain field is exactly. From this angle you can see the septic tank quite a bit better. See it, it's right there in the ground. The tank was fine, so that didn't need to be replaced. The solids go in the tank. The liquids leave there and go into the drain field. So there it is. 300 square foot or cubic foot or whatever drain field.